Let us see first question in exercise 9.3. So what does the problem states? So the problem states that A, B, C are 3 points on a circle. A, B and C are 3 points on a circle with center O. With center O. Okay. So this is center O. So figure is given, but please do not copy any figures at the first instance. Don't do it. Okay, try to draw figures by your own by reading the question. By this you will understand the concept easily. Okay, and what does the question give and what they want. And if the figure is given, first draw it by yourself and then compare it with the figure which is given in the textbook or the question paper. If it is right, then you will understand nearly 60% of the problem. Okay, so A, B, C are the points on the circle with center O. Now what is given? Such that angle BOC is 30 degrees. BOC. So let us join BO and C. So this is what? 30 degrees. And after that, and AOB is 60 degrees. Where is A, O and B? So join AO. So these two will become 60 degrees. Okay. Now, if D is a point on the circle other than the arc ABC. So D is a point on the circle other than arc ABC. What is arc ABC? This is arc ABC, right? So D is somewhere on the remaining part of the circle. Okay, so this is point D. Okay, now what is it telling? Find ADC, A, D and C. See, you have to find the angle ADC. So does it look familiar with the theorem which we have studied? What was the theorem? See, he is telling that D is a point other than arc ABC. The words other than arc ABC reminds me of one theorem. What is the theorem? Theorem 9.7. Yeah, what does the theorem states? The theorem states that, what does the theorem states in theorem 9.7? It states that the angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended at any other point on the remaining part of the circle. Does it reminds you? Yeah, this is ABC. So what is the angle subtended by it at the center? At the center, so that means this is the angle subtended. Okay, so what is this angle, my dear students? Let us see this angle. Okay, so what is this angle? 60 plus 30. It is 90 degrees. So it is 90 degrees. The angle subtended at the center is double than the angle subtended at any other point on the remaining part of the circle. So the same arc subtends over here. So that means he is telling that this is 90 degrees is double. So that means what is half of 90 degrees? 45 degrees. So therefore this angle is 45 degrees. Is it simple? So not even no need of even step. But whenever you do a problem, you have to do it stepwise. Our CBSE curriculum wants you to solve stepwise. Okay. So in British curriculum, you can directly write the answer with one step writing. But in CBSE, you have to go along with the steps. So what are the steps now? So let us see the solution. So angle subtended by arc ABC at center is angle AOB. Sorry, angle AOC. Is it right? AOC. But we know that angle AOC is made up of AOB angle AOB plus angle BOC. So what is angle AOB? AOB is 60 degrees plus what is BOC? It is 30 degrees. That is equal to 90 degrees. Understood? Angle AOC is equal to 90 degrees. Now let us see. So we are supposed to find angle ADC, right? So in order to find ADC, so now angle ADC, or you can write that angle AOC is equal to double the angle ADC. What is the reason, sir? So you have to state the you have to write the statement. What is the statement? Angle subtended by an arc at the center is double the angle subtended at a point on remaining part of the circle, remaining part of the circle. Understood? So that implies, what is AOC? AOC we got it as 90 degrees. So 90 degrees is equal to 2 times angle ADC. Now in order to find angle ADC, what you are supposed to do? Transpose 2 to the left hand side. When you transpose 2 to the left hand side, what happens? It becomes division, because here it is in multiplication on the right hand side. So angle ADC. So what is 90 divided by 2? 45 degrees is equal to angle ADC. This is what he asked us to find. Understood? Please try to remember the theorems what you have studied, and try to draw the figures by yourself and check whether the figure which you have drawn is correct or not. By this you will understand which concept to apply and and how to do it easily. Understood, my dear students? So whenever you solve any problem, when you are going to start to solve a problem, so 3 things are very important: what is given, and what to find, what is the concept to be used. These 3 whats are very important: what is given, what to find, and what is the concept to be used. And while answering, the 4th one is very important, the conclusion. Understood or not? So if you write all these things in a stepwise, you will not lose even half mark. I hope you understood it. Practice it along with me, and also after watching the video, don't skip to another video. You practice by yourself, then only you will understand. Mathematics is the only subject without doing you cannot repeat it during any examinations or anywhere else. Understood? Take care. Bye.